Hello viewers, how are you? I think everyone is fine. Today I am going to show you how can you create a YouTube playlist for your videos. Playlist is very important part for our YouTube channel. Now I'm going to discuss about that matter. Let's start. At first you have to click on the top corner of your profile, then you have to click YouTube Studio. Wait for a while and you have to click. So when I have to click setting. Because I have to find that option. There is not frequently standard difficult uploads. Advanced setting. There is also no permissions. Community guidelines. Event. Now there is no options. Now you have to find it from there. Click playlist. Playlist, and you can see there is lots of playlist. I create my YouTube playlist, create computer problem and solution. Create YouTube playlist, computer playlist, online tools. That means there is, if my playlist is about based on YouTube, there is lots of YouTube tutorial. That's why I named the playlist on YouTube tutorials step by step. Okay, you can see my computer problem. There is 5 videos and easy solutions. So there is only for computer problem and solutions playlist. So now I am going to show you how can you create a new playlist for your videos. So you can see the right corner of the top, new playlist. Okay, what will be name playlist? My playlist name will be CV. My playlist will be on that name, CV for job application. Two pages CV for job application. My playlist name will be that. So if I want to, it's public or private, I want to show that public. So now create a playlist. Okay, now you can see I'm done to create a playlist, and you can also create lots of playlists like that. If you want to edit the playlist, you can do it. You can write something here. and I want to name that my playlist, and there's two pages. See, alright, okay, base 2 pages see format. Okay, this is, I think this is very nice for my playlist. So here I'll be wrote some description about my playlist. And for your help, after that create a playlist, I'll show you that playlist where this is. You can see there is not my playlist yet, and I create it. I hope my playlist is ready now. And, you can see there is nothing not hidden. My playlist is hidden, still hidden. Okay, now I have to find this solution why this is showing me. Setting on my account. Okay, I found that options, that is here. I, you can see my CV format is ready, but there is no video. I think that's why my you can see here my playlist is okay, but there is no video. That's why this is not showing up on my playlist. So I try to show that it will show in. I try to that it will show in my YouTube channel. So that's why I make a tutorial. Now I try to select it playlist. This because this is a CV format playlist, so I try to keep it on my Shopify base concentration cricket fund. You can see there is no playlist, so there is no showing playlist. So you can create playlist from here also. You can see there is nothing. It because of the problem is there is no loading. So I will play it. I will add it. So don't worry about that. Mhm. You can see your video is here. Now I have to check that is it okay. You can see there is no video. So here is playlist showing. So I try to add my videos into playlist.